A dangerous condition is diabetes. Your dedication to following the diabetic treatment regimen must be constant, but it was worth the effort. A careful approach to diabetes management can lower your chance of serious, potentially fatal complications. We'll explain the steps you need to take in today's video, but why? So, in order to prevent diabetes-related injuries, you must adhere to these guidelines. Here are a few strategies for managing your diabetes and ensuring a healthier future. Let's get started. Become dedicated to controlling your diabetes. You can learn the fundamentals of diabetes care from members of your healthcare team, such as your primary care physician, diabetes treatment and information specialist, and dietitian, who can also provide support as you go. But it's entirely up to you to take care of your illness. Do all you can to learn about diabetes. Make exercising and eating well a part of your everyday regimen. Keep a healthy weight. Follow the guidelines provided by your healthcare professional for controlling the amount of sugar in your blood and keep a close eye on your sugar levels. Take your medications as your doctor has instructed. When you need assistance, ask your diabetes care team for it. Maintain healthy levels of cholesterol and blood pressure. High blood pressure can harm your blood vessels, much like diabetes can, since the damage that ensues is frequently severe and occurs more quickly when you have diabetes. High cholesterol is also a problem. A stroke, heart attack, or other potentially fatal illness can result from the combination of these conditions. Controlling high cholesterol and blood pressure can be greatly aided by eating a balanced diet low in fat, salt, and sugar, exercising frequently, and abstaining from excessive alcohol consumption. If required, your doctor might also advise you to take prescription drugs. Drink alcohol sensibly if you do. Depending on the quantity you drink and if you eat at the exact time, alcohol can result in high or low blood sugar. If you decide to drink, do it only in moderation. That is, a maximum of 1 drink for women per day and 2 for men per day. Always consume alcohol with a meal or food item, and don't forget to factor the calories from alcohol into your daily calorie intake. Be warned that alcohol might cause low blood sugar in the future, particularly for those who take insulin. Demonstrate empowerment. Regular exercise is the next requirement on the list. Everyone should get frequent exercise. Regular physical activity helps prevent and treat diabetes, in addition to being good for weight management. Activities such as walking, swimming, or dancing are all enjoyable activities that can enhance insulin sensitivity and control blood sugar levels. Plan routine eye checkups and physicals. In addition to a routine physical and regular eye exam, plan 2 to 4 diabetes visits per year. During the physical, your doctor will inquire about your diet and level of activity, check for any diabetes-related consequences such as kidney damage, nerve damage, and heart disease, and screen for other health issues. Additionally, he or she will check the soles of your feet for any problems that might require care. Your eye doctor will look for glaucoma, cataracts, and retinal damage symptoms. Hydration. Everyone should stay hydrated, but people with diabetes should focus on doing so more than others. A healthy level of water improves kidney function and controls blood sugar. Give high priority to heart protective practices like not smoking, regulating cholesterol levels, and keeping a healthy weight. Take a daily aspirin, please. Your doctor might advise taking a low dose of aspirin each day to help reduce your likelihood of heart attack and stroke if you're suffering from diabetes and other risk factors for cardiovascular disease like smoking or high blood pressure. If you don't have any other cardiovascular risk factors, using aspirin may carry more danger of bleeding than it does benefits. Consult your doctor to determine whether daily aspirin medication is right for you as well as the ideal aspirin strength. Educate and empower. Your best ally in managing diabetes is knowledge. Learn about the illness, its origins, and the way your body reacts to it. Keep abreast of the most recent developments in diabetes treatment and management options, and collaborate closely with your medical professionals to develop a strategy that is tailored to your particular requirements. Conclusion: even though diabetes might present difficulties, taking a proactive approach can give you the ability to live a happy and active life. You are able to tip the balance in your direction and resist the grip of diabetes on your health by making thoughtful decisions regarding your diet, exercise, handling stress, sleep, and medication. Never forget that you can always take control of your well-being and start down a path to resilience and energy. That was all from our side. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more informative content. See you in the next video. Till that, take care.